Good morning, teacher. My name is Anna Puyutaxi, and I'm going to talk about Unit 3 Charities. George Soros. George Soros was born on August 12, 1930 in Budapest. He created the first Open Society Foundation and he bought quantum funds when he was 26 years old. Also, he entered the world of finance for his investments. He has been decided financing scholarships for Black students. I think that the way that Soros spends his money is really important because he helps others in a selfless way. Unit 4 Trend Spotters. Trend spotter is a person who reports about the new tendency, new fashion that are becoming popular. The people work in fashion industries, and also the job of these people is that they walk in the streets of the city and looking for new tendency that appeared. I think that I couldn't be a trend spotter because my style is casual and I like wearing subdued clothes. Unit 5 Urban Communities. In this case, I'm going to talk about Jan Jacobs. Jan Jacobs is a woman he, um, who, de- who defended the role of the community and the role of the nature in urban planning. She said that it is important create green areas inside the cities. I think that Jan Jacobs thought is really important because the people they live in cities and they are stressed and they need to go to the park and they need to do exercise so they feel better. Thank you.